I will go further to show the lack of commitment which cannot be questioned. There was a position stated in 2017, I think November 2017. That position was the Office of National Security Advisor. The current commissioner was brought in to take up that. It says, the Prime Minister said, consistent with international best practices in other jurisdictions such as UK, Canada, US, India, Australia, and in the pursuance of a strategic national security management, a national security advisor is the principal technical advisor to the government. Who is that person now? Since the commissioner left that post and became the commissioner, why we don't want to be consistent with UK, Canada, US, India, Australia, and all these other places? Who is that person now? If all is being done. The chief advisor to the government, the prime minister, and is missing. Is no longer in position. Is that a lie? We're going to show lack of commitment. CMAC. You know about CMAC?
Yes, ma'am.
It is the Crime Monitoring Oversight Committee. The chairman of CMAC, he says, the PMP has remained committed to CMAC since its inception. I quote, unquote. Distant.
Who's the chairman?
Lie distant.
Okay.
A member of the PSOJ and the JMEA and all of those A's that exist. He then goes further to say, and I quote, the Minister of National Security over the last 6 months had essentially taken a policy position not to take part in the proceedings, but that has now been changed. Commitment. When you make a policy decision not to partake in the Crime Management Oversight Committee and then come to say you're asking for us to agree when you make yourself upset.
Jamaican people want better.